Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Cameron. This is Rubberneck Garage. If you're just tuning in with us, thank you. And here's what happened yesterday. I went ahead and I recorded a series of events, including getting the car prepped, washing it, getting it all ready for the stickers to be laid down. And after I did that, I found out that I looped over all of that video. So, that being said, this is why I'm doing this new intro, and so it's going to cut kind of oddly because you're going to see things from yesterday and then things from today. But I apologize for that. Again, technical issues and technical, I mean, I don't know how to technically operate a camera. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get started and get this thing going and get it all ready. And oh, the other thing was, um, I've set a deadline for this project. So I'm going down with my family on Saturday to Phoenix, and I really want to get down there Friday night to go to a car show. There's a car show that's there pretty much every Friday night, and I'd like to have this car there that night. So that means today is Tuesday, so I've got a couple more days to finish this project. I've got 2,000 stickers coming in because I'm not sure if I have enough to cover this, and I want to make sure that I do so that I don't have to try to order some and then they not get in and then me not complete it by the time that I've set for myself. So, really, that's it for now. I'm going to go ahead and get started on this. So the rest of it will be kind of time lapse. This is what we have so far. But again, it's going to look kind of odd because I have this done, and when you go see the video, you'll see it start from blank canvas. But then the rest of it will cut pretty well because I'll continue on with that. So other than that, let's get started.
So here we are, and what I figured out is sticker bombing sucks. It's like the worst thing in the world. One, the stickers don't want to come off. So luckily I have a little bit of a nail that I can actually peel these a little bit. But right now, here I am at this is 100 stickers so far. So I have 2,600. So I have 26 placements like this, of that size. I don't know. I haven't done the math yet, and I haven't really looked at the square footage of this. I don't know if it's going to cover it or not. I hope it does. But that is 100 stickers right there. I may have to be more sparing and just separate them a little bit more. I was kind of overzealous with a lot of this, and so I do have some layering and stuff on these, and I do have multiple colors on the car itself, so I may be able to space them out. It probably won't be noticeable because the car is so many different colors. You know, if I was on the main blue, that could probably be apparent that I had spaces in between stickers. But so far so good. Like I said, I knew what it would be. I knew it would be time consuming. I knew that it would be a pain, and so I'm not surprised by it. I just knew it would be. But it's turning out really well. It's turning out as good as I thought it was going to be. And what's really cool is the sticker pack has a lot of VW stuff in it, so that's kind of fun. I guess that shows that VWs are kind of in the culture of this because I found several VW like stickers and things like that. So that's it. Other than that, just gonna keep going and hopefully get this thing done. It's getting cold, so I don't know how much more time I have, but just keep on trucking. So far, I think I've been working on this for, I don't know, probably this is probably taken 40 minutes, maybe half an hour, 40 minutes. I'm not sure, but it's somewhere. I know it hasn't been an hour, so it's somewhere close to that. So time wise, if I've got to do this 26 more times, so 26 more times, I've got some time. I mean, I have a couple days worth of work, so I better get to it because it's going to be a process. So kind of an update on the actual prep that I did. So the acetone spray worked really well. Everything's sticking super well, almost too well, because as soon as I lay a sticker down, it kind of has to be where it's supposed to be, because if it's not, it's hard to get back up. So far the prep's working out really well. Everything's laying really well. And so I think once I get everything actually laid and the acrylic actually sprayed, I don't think I'll have any issue with peeling. I say that now, and then watch. In 2 days, it's gonna peel everywhere. But so right now, fingers crossed. I think it's doing really well. I think the prep's exactly what I wanted it to be. So now it's just work, just more work. So what I found is that this takes way too long. in that I won't get it done in time if I keep just trying to do it by myself. So I enlisted the help of my wife, my beautiful assistant, and I think together we'll be able to knock this thing out pretty quickly. She's actually way faster than I am at this kind of stuff. She always has been. Doesn't matter whether we're assembling stuff or doing whatever, she's just better at it. So, and she has longer nails than I do.
I do have longer nails. I think this is looking cool though. The selection of stickers is crazy. You go from like superheroes to a gazelle wearing Prada to old hotel stickers. It's actually really neat. It looks cool when you put it all together. I think my favorite sticker so far is we have a Darth Vader wearing a Minnie Mouse bow on his head. It's that's my favorite. I like Minnie Mouse and Darth Vader, so.
On the theme of Star Wars, there's a Darth Vader coming in like a wrecking ball.
Like Miley Cyrus?
Yeah, and the wrecking ball is the Death Star.
Oh no.
So I think that's my favorite Star Wars one by far. All I can think is just Vader coming in, just full on. I came in like a red. Just, I think that's the coolest.
That's awesome.
And then I like there's a SpongeBob as Mario. I think that's my favorite SpongeBob sticker I've seen so far. And then which one I really kind of dig, because of the irony of it, is there's fully chiseled, ripped
the Colonel. It's the Colonel
from KFC.
Yeah.
Just absolutely yoked.
That's awesome.
Not that you can't get yoked on KFC, but. Does that say Qantas? That's hilarious. The reason why that's funny is if anyone's ever seen the movie Rain Man, which dates me, he wouldn't get on a plane that didn't have a crash. And the only airplane company that hadn't had a crash at that time, and who knows, that was like right now in the 80s, was Qantas Airlines. Because the whole joke was he's like, we gotta fly out of Australia. We're in LA, we can't fly out of Australia. So it just made me laugh. But again, that shows how old I am. And what a stupid memory I have for movies, since I know that Qantas Airlines was the only airlines that didn't have a crash in Rain Man. So there you go. So it got dark and it got really, really cold, but I think it's going really, really well. This is what we have so far. So it's sticking really nice. Everything's going really, really smoothly. It's just taking a lot of time, and there's no way we're going to finish it tonight because it's probably 30 degrees right now. So other than that, again, We're just making this car to turn heads, and thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it. And I'll catch you tomorrow.